Little paws waking up sleepy eyes, prairie dogs stretching to the sky. Wake up, it's playtime now. Tiny feet running all around, from sleepy beds to the playroom floor. Little friends knocking at the door. Peek out, pop up, look around. Funny little heads come out the